Hello, it's C Gutter, Christopher McCoy, and we're about to film The Beast Who Seeks My House.
Once again, the camera close in your face. Don't put the camera on me. I'm not in this movie.
Yeah, so you all know C Gutter, but you haven't known.
The camera close in your face again, man. I want to see
okay. You haven't known the person who's inside this house. Let's watch.
I work harder. It's working.
He's scary.
Yeah, we're getting closer, huh? 30, rather 4,000.
It is my dad. He is what? A monster.
It's okay.
Oh my God. And what does he watch? You can't see. What is he watching?
Wheel of Fortune.
Wheel of Fortune. He wants to track down the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. He's the beast that's in my house. Oh my God. Who seeks for this monster? Wake up!
Get the hell out of here. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Oh no! He ate my leg.
Once again, the video's over, okay? Bye, people. And Brand, we know you out there. Bye.